And real quick before we start here, if you like this video, why not go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and if you really like the video, head over and subscribe to the channel.
It is dated. So this I think was an auto sleeper. Someone's left their coffee thing in here, but it's
Yeah, no, I don't know.
how does this open? So am I missing something here? Yes, there's a button. Wardrobe. Let's see, this was a very quick show, wasn't it? Wardrobe, there's the table, which I guess goes in that hole there.
Yeah.
And then back here we've got... Oh, I wonder why the door's that way round.
Oh.
That's a funny one.
Oh, what funny is that?
Oh, maybe it's supposed to do for privacy, I don't know. It's just got a...
What's down there now?
Well, nothing really, it was all in there, so you have to come all the way down here to get the door open. Which seems...
Yeah,
That seems a weird design, because now to get out, I've got to try and back all the way up here, squeeze that. That's weird. Why it wouldn't open the other way, I don't know. Captain's chairs, lounge, 4. Who this is, not mine. 4 rings, sink and drainer, microwave, Suzanne, and
2 o'clock.
the cabs, right. I think that's probably going to be our last one, certainly for day 1, because Suzanne is off to get Max. I'm going back to the campervan to do a little bit more setting up, and we will be back here on Saturday. See you then. Good morning, day 2. It is Saturday the 22nd of May and we have young Max with us today. And we are heading back in. We just
Oh, sorry.
got out of the campervan.
Why we just interrupted.
That's alright, it doesn't matter.
We camped overnight.
We did camp overnight, it was alright, wasn't
The
it?
wind stopped.
The wind calmed down, it really windy
I went to
yesterday.
go and pick Max up, took him to perform his acting group, and then we came back and we picked up, Max and I picked up fish and chips from the local
Wasn't
fish and
very
chip
good,
shop
was
in Bucharest. It was the worst fish and chips ever. My place was supposed
Rock
to
hard,
be
it was like a
in,
frisbee.
not batter but breadcrumb, breaded place, and it was rock hard. It was, I could
Yes,
have,
I wanted Mummy to go back to the fish and chips
And complain.
Bucharest.
It was like a,
And said, I asked for plates, not rock.
yeah.
It was like a lethal weapon. But anyway, so we're heading into the show now. We're going to show Max around. We saw it all yesterday, but Max didn't, so he's going to go exploring today.
The wind settled down in the end.
It has settled
Maybe
down.
a little bit, but not like it was yesterday. It's sort of settled down now, the rain has. And the wind has.
There's a lot more people here today though, look at this.
A lot more people.
A lot more people, so it might be harder to get into the motorhomes today.
Yesterday there wasn't many
we
people
will.
around, but there's lots of people camped here overnight.
Let's go take a look.
That story that Mummy opened the cupboard and there was someone in there already.
Oh no! I opened one of the doors in one of the motorhomes and there was like 10 packets of crisps, and then I opened the fridge and then there was like
It's like somebody was living there.
fruit, beer, wine. I was like, wow.
We could have slept there last night. Anyway, we'll show you around again.
And here you can see there were a few more people on the Saturday than the Friday, which you would expect. And things may not go quite as planned today, as there are a lot more people and we have Max with us, and basically anything could happen.
Oh yeah, this has got a bed at the back.
This is so cool.
It's nice.
4 hobs.
Probably in the door.
Hobs are like
So it's got decent sized sink.
Yeah.
4-ring hob
That
with
has line on it. And it's a bit
grill and oven. Hang on a second, Max.
Oh, there's the television there.
Nice big beds.
Actually, a couple of couches to be able to put the television on.
It's got a big shower.
In your element, Max, isn't it?
It's got a big shower, toilets.
Oh, mine.
It looks small, but I think it's bigger than it looks.
And
Oven and grill, microwave.
Daddy, look, that's a bit distracting when you're
Pops up, is
driving.
it?
Isn't it? When you're driving.
That would be quite distracting.
Oh, that's
power.
electric.
I'll pull that up and do it.
Scan it.
oh, look at that.
What's that?
Plugs.
Oh, that's to go in the toilet.
Nice television at the front.
Wow, that's quite nice. Oh, grill.
Right. Where's this thing called our hand in it?
There's the
There's
beds.
a what?
The sink.
I don't know. Maybe you don't.
I think this is only 3 beds though, honey.
Is that why?
Well, I don't think this is a double bed at the front.
Oh yeah, it probably isn't. So it's probably a 3-bath rather than a
So you can see
4.
that
So
the
Max
back.
would be able to bring a friend with him.
No.
Oh yeah, there's no sink in here.
Come in. Not very good.
Oh, it's not too bad. So it's got a
Yeah, but
dinette,
there's only one bed.
dinette at the front
I'm good.
with the captain's squat chairs. It's a manual.
Yeah.
We've got small little sink and a 3-ring hob
Next to this one.
with a little
From yesterday.
grill. I think it was locked yesterday.
Oh.
It's got a big fridge, freezer,
Okay.
toilet back here with a overly bed,
Oh yeah, no, I don't like this.
big wardrobe. You know, I think it's quite good. Hasn't got the second lounge area there. Shower's massive.
Gosh. Yeah. Where's the other toilet? Oh,
Really
yeah.
fast. Why won't that shut? Don't know why that won't shut. Really fast.
Gosh, breaking it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like this. I've gone off the idea
I
of
actually
fixed
need a
bed.
Oh
toilet.
dear.
Yeah.
I actually need one.
Do you have to go back out to the camper van?
I don't need one. Don't tell anyone.
Oh, massive! Max, this bed is massive up here.
So bed up there,
Massive that bed is up there.
dinette,
Oh,
3-ring hob, sink,
I can't see that
no,
big
well,
bed at the back. I don't know what's going on with there's the rear bed. I don't know what's going on here. This is clearly isn't the mattress for it.
it's massive like that. I wouldn't, that's the thing about buying second-hand one. I think I could buy new one.
Did you do lottery last night? Forget to tell me.
No, but how much should I buy new one?
Oh no, Daddy, if I watch MCVs, Daddy,
Mm.
because you don't like him, even though I commented, you can just shut the curtains.
That's a good idea. There's a lot of storage in this
And
one.
Daddy, can you pick me up?
Hang on a second.
Start it, start it!
Yeah, don't forget.
Okay, there's a little look. Where do I sleep? Oh, I know where I sleep. I think I sleep here.
But the other one had two sofas. No, the other one had their fixed bed at the back.
Okay.
I feel like
So here's the cab, captain chairs. This would be a bed. No, you'll sleep here, Max.
where?
But where
Do you guys sleep?
seats are under there?
Where do you guys sleep? I want to sleep here next to my
Sink.
friends. Please, can I sleep here next to my friends?
We
Yeah.
talk-
I mean, we're not buying it, so just
Okay.
Can we buy them?
No, we haven't got the money at the moment.
Fridge freezer. We're looking for the future, Max. We're getting ideas today. This looks like it comes out. That's it all. Okay.
So what do you think of this layout? The other one had a fixed
I'm
bed.
going to go out to have a video, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna have a look at the shower.
You've got a big bathroom at the back. And a big wardrobe.
There's not a double bed though here, is there? There's no double bed. So it doesn't look like these turn into double beds, and even if they did, it would block access to the toilet.
Yeah, well, they wouldn't then turn into double beds, they'll stay single bed.
Which means it would be not ideal for us, would it?
Right, but-
Probably Mummy and Daddy sleep next to each other so they can. That's small.
Kind of what we're gonna have.
So the seating area turns into beds. The other one in front had a fixed bed at the front.
Did it at the back?
And then had a seating area which then turned into a bed.
How did that keep there?
Okay, so we can. Thanks, wait, just let me do one first. So the wardrobe's in the toilet. Well, not literally in the toilet, but you know what I mean. Okay. So this is a very expensive Hymer, £95,000. Someone's left their dirty old tissue. Nice big telly. I didn't go in it yesterday, no.
Oh, did you not?
No.
I'll go first.
3-ring hob. Oven and grill. Nice big shower. Decent sized toilet and a nice sink with some worktop space next to it and a big mirror. Another big mirror here. And here we have a really nice fridge with loads of food in. Want a drink, Max?
Yeah.
Sandwiches, look.
That's odd. Is there someone sleeping?
Out of date sandwiches.
Someone is.
And then here's a big bed at the back.
Someone actually lives.
No. And 2 beds. I don't know if this becomes a double. But the top bits are almost a double, isn't it? It's just your legs, it wouldn't be. Nice storage around the top. Very nice.
Oh, now let's swap. There's
Very nice. More crisps.
a tissue.
I know, do not touch it.
Sandy living.
I don't know. Very nice, just too big and too expensive for us.
Back out front.
Daddy, there's chocolate spread.
Is there? Oh, something stick there.
Okay, I'm gonna go in. Hey, all of you get out.
No, Max, we'll get out in a minute, darling.
So this is 2
Okay,
baths.
that's right.
Oh, is that all it is?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So this is no good, but let's have a quick look around. 2 berth, got a 4-ring hob,
They're comfy, the
proper
seats
sink,
are.
microwave,
I'm sitting here watching television and the
grill and oven.
television will go there.
Decent sized fridge.
And then if this turned into, something turned into a bed, like a bed at the top,
Yeah.
Okay.
Shower toilet.
In a minute. You can come in.
No, that means yeah.
I like the
And then
idea.
this would be the bed.
These are nice and comfy. Nice comfy
Look, there's
lounge.
us two. We'd all sleep on there.
Nice comfy lounge with television. To watch television in the evening.
I like the way the back opens.
If it was us three all together.
Imagine it's parked up in a
If it was us
lake or a
three
mountain or
together,
something.
Daddy, look, basketball.
Yeah. This is a Hymer, isn't it?
How do you get through here?
The table closes in, Max.
So the bed pops down.
There's a bed at the front there that comes down.
And then this would convert to a bed.
Can we go back in that one so I can show my people? I forgot to video. So I like that one.
Big shower, but it's
Let's see another one. I'm going to show you one because on this video. It slides, that comes down.
Can you write down that name? What was the name of that camper we just got?
I really
You
love
said you didn't like because of the.
This is the
I will have a look.
fashion.
Because I think I like that style.
So, let's see what this is. Okay.
so we have a
Seen it.
3-ring hob.
Oh, we have, yeah, 3-ring hole. Let's see this.
No.
Start there. So, like, I think it's quite something like this.
And if nothing else over these 2 days, we may have worked out what we would like, but then anything could happen.
Okay, what I want, this is my layout that I
Can I
want.
Okay.
take off my shoes?
No.
No, I want
Angela on the
a lounge area at the back
Lounge it, okay.
where it turns into a bed.
Yep.
2 sofas turns into a bed.
Yep.
Right, decent sized toilet, bathroom.
Yep.
And then a table at the front here with like a lounge style seating area where the tables and then either a bed that comes down or a bed at the top or a bed that
Or
pops
popped
up.
up. When you say lounge area here, not a dinette thing like this.
Yeah, like a dinette thing like that.
Okay. So you just described those vans.
Yeah.
And there we are, the motorhome show for us has come to an end. Very small this year, as I've said a few times. We've got some great ideas. We think we know what we want now, and we just need to be in a position to, I think, swap the California maybe if we find exactly what we're looking for. So that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more travel, camping, campervan related stuff. See you next time.
photography.